Shout out to everyone. Once again, this is Mix D and welcome to Acoustic Lounge. We're doing acoustic cover song for you guys. And live po tayo, naka-live tayo sa ating Bigo Live app. Simultaneously sa ating YouTube channel, Mix Derulo ang ating YouTube channel. If you want to check it out, kung nagtataka kayo ano ba yung YouTube channel ni Mix Derulo, ang content natin guys is mga unboxing. No? So nag-unbox tayo ng mga Bluetooth microphone, mga Bluetooth speaker, gumagawa rin tayo ng mga wireless karaoke setup, at saka yung mga, meron din tayong mga content about mga electric vehicles guys, no? And of course, mga riding gears, di ba? Alright, okay, ito napaka-classic nito, maganda rin to guys, pakinggan nyo to.
Scott's 100% vitamin C.
So fruity.
Alright, magandang hapon guys, this is Mix D, acoustic cover song for you live. Napaka-classic ng kanta na to. Alright, ang title ng kantang to is Upside Down. Ayan, acoustic Upside Down. Alright, go something like this. Napakaganda talaga makinig ng mga acoustic guitar, no? I've been spending some time thinking I'll be alright. Don't know if I could really make it tonight. Lie awake in the dark, come down, then I start thinking about you. Is almost breaking my heart. I don't know where went wrong or what's going on. Baby, I feel like I lost the night. Should I stay? Should I go? Well, I really don't know. Lately, I've been missing you so. Baby, you don't understand. Our love lies lost, but you're still the hope in my head. No, when you walk away just tonight, I wanted to stay. You turning me on, you turn me around. You turn my whole world upside down. You're turning me on, you turn me around. You turn my whole world upside down. Alright, acoustic cover live. And every time I hurt you, well, it's hurting me too. Don't know if I could really stay here tonight. Tired of thinking of you and everything that you do. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? But I just wanted to say that I need you today. Tell me it's all gonna work out right. And I don't know where I should start, but with all of my heart, baby, let me be your lover tonight. Baby, you don't understand. Our love lies lost, but you're still holding my hand. Oh, and then you walk away just tonight, I wanted to stay. You turn me now, you turn me around. You turn my whole world upside down. You turn me on, you turn me around. 'di ba? Napaka lumang kanta na 'yan, Upside Down. Pero at least ang sarap pa rin pakinggan, 'di ba, guys? Okay. So, Upside Down, yun yung kantang 'yan. Oo. You turning me on, you turn me around, you turn my whole world upside down. You turning me on, you turn me around, you turn my whole world upside down. Alright, that's a very, very nice, wonderful acoustic cover song for you entitled Upside Down. Hoping na enjoy niyo yan.